So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make over £10,000 per month in pre-tax revenue using this thing. A camera. And just before the video starts, I do want to quickly run you through a quick backstory because £10,000 a month is a ridiculous amount of money to be earning, especially at 25 years old. And my journey started back in 2017 when I was sitting on a lifeguarding chair for 40 hours a week, making £9.75 an hour. And trust me, when you're sat on the lifeguarding chair for 8 hours a day watching people swim, you come up with some pretty crazy ideas. And one of those ideas was to buy this thing and start creating promotional videos for small companies, brands, or in fact anybody who wanted a promotional video. And one of those ideas, funny enough, was to buy a videography camera and start filming promotional videos. And believe it or not, the first paid promotional video I did was filming a football academy that paid me the same amount of money for 3 hours worth of filming and editing than my lifeguarding job did sitting on that chair for 40 hours. And as time went on, I started filming more and more promotional videos. I've even done stuff for quite high-end brands like Jimmy Choo and Primark, and my portfolio was becoming quite, presentable, you could say. And it was only up until about 2, maybe 3 years ago now, I started moving my videography company into a Smma, social media marketing agency. Because all I was doing was trying to find work every single day, every single week, every single month. I was chasing work because these clients that I was trying to go after was only taking a video from me once every couple of months, and then I wouldn't hear from them again if at all. And it all changed when I started my social media marketing agency, because I have now 23 clients who use my videography services, but it's part of a bundle that I offer them on a monthly retainer, and I've kind of turned it into a Smma, but quite a niche category type Smma, if that makes sense. So instead of doing one-off promotional videos for 3, 4, 5, even 600, 700 pounds, what I now do is I create packages that start from £1,500 a month. For clients, it could be bathroom companies, fireplace companies, kitchen showrooms, it can be restaurants. And what I offer those clients is a monthly marketing package that covers the following things. The first thing is obviously my videography, because that's my bread and butter. So I offer them one promotional video per month. I also offer them photography, social media management, Google and Facebook ads, website design, and SEO. And that's all within one of my monthly retainers, which again start from £1,500 a month. Now there's 2 amazing reasons why I love the fact I've moved my company from one-off filming to a monthly reoccurring type of Smma business. One of the reasons, which is probably the best reason, is I don't wake up every morning now knowing that I have to find 1 or 2 videos to make ends meet at the end of the month. I just got so sick and tired of trying to find continuous work, filming for a client, giving them the video and never seeing them again. And the second reason why I love this business is I actually know how much I'm going to make in a month before the month has actually started, because all of these contracts have got 30 days notice if they want to leave, and I know how many clients I have, so I know how much money I'm making every single month. Instead, like I said, waking up not knowing if the phone's going to ring and someone's wanting a promotional video or something like that. And if you're watching this video right now and you're wanting to start exactly what I've done, you can. It's not impossible. The only thing you'll have to learn is how to take photos and how to do videos and how to edit. But if you don't know how to do that, nowadays the iPhone 14 Pro Max is pretty much the same quality as most cameras out there. I mean, not this camera or the camera I'm filming on, obviously. I don't want to downgrade my work at all, but this iPhone is on par with most digital cameras. You have loads of apps on the App Store that can edit the content for you. So if you're currently someone sitting there watching this video and you're working a 9-to-5 office job making £2,000 a month, let me just tell you one thing. If you start a digital marketing agency this month, June 2023, I can almost guarantee you by August, you can be making more money on your phone, doing whatever you want during your days, filming, having fun, not having to work for your boss that you don't even like, by just working on your phone. My business is obviously a little bit different because I class myself as high end. I've got multiple cameras worth thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds. But to get started, you can start on your iPhone. There is no reason whatsoever that's stopping you starting a social media marketing agency on a phone, because these phones are just so good nowadays.